Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Parchi Tech. So today I have another unboxing video. Alright, so this I have here in front of me is a MacBook Pro that I just picked up from Best Buy, and here I got some free AirPods with this as well. So just head on down below, hit the subscribe button, turn on that notification bell, and come back for the good information that I have for you here. Alright, so here you can see it's a brown box. Normally you're used to seeing a white box, but for some reason at Best Buy, when you buy a Mac, you get it in a brown box. I'm not sure if this is how Apple ships them to the Best Buy stores, but usually you'd get a white box. Alright, so this is the space gray MacBook Pro 2020 version, and this is the 256 gigabytes. Alright, the base model. So we're gonna open this up, take a look at the goodies that we have inside. Alright, and this is also the AirPods that I got for free with the computer. So when you buy a MacBook at Best Buy, you get free AirPods as well. It's the same deal they have going on the Apple Store. They have that at Best Buy as well, so you can head on over there, check it out, and I'm sure they'll match that deal and give you the free AirPods with the computer. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up the AirPods here first, take a look at it. And if you check on my channel, I have the unboxing of the AirPods Pro that I got with the purchase of a MacBook Air. The MacBook Air, that's my brother's MacBook, but we got the AirPods Pro for free on that one as well. So this one is the regular AirPods that we got for free, so we're gonna go ahead and unbox this right here. Alright, so this is the AirPods cover right here, the box cover. The papers, says AirPods. I'm not sure if the AirPods come with stickers. Nah, it doesn't seem like it. But regular Apple packaging here. Here we have the AirPods charging case. Alright, so this is a charging case that comes with it. Let's take the plastic off. Here we go, put that aside, and here's the AirPods right here, as you can see, and we got this for free with the purchase of the computer. Alright, so I'm not gonna peer this or anything right now, I'm just doing the unboxing. And in the bottom here it has the charging cable, as you can see right here. So it's a regular USB 3.0 port to lightning right here. On the AirPods Pro it's a USB-C to lightning, so this one's is the older version right here. Alright, so let's put that back in the box, and then we're gonna move on to unboxing the computer. Alright, so let's take this out this box right here, open this. There we go. Take this out of the box. Take this out. Get this box out of the way. All right. Let's move this. Get this in the camera for you so you can see. So it's the MacBook Pro, as you can see right here. Alright, has the specs on the back here. So here, let me cover some of these information. So on the back here we have, it's a 13.3 inches Retina LED backlit display with True Tone technology. Alright, and this is a 2560 by 1600 pixels. We have a 1.4 gigahertz quad-core Intel Core i5 with 128 megabytes of ED RAM, turbo boost up to 3.9 gigahertz. All right, it's a 8 gig of RAM, the DDR3 memory. This is a 256 gigabyte. The previous versions of the MacBook Pro, they used to come base with 128, so it's a good thing they doubled that storage, because this is pretty much the minimum you'd want to have. 256. It has the Intel Iris Plus graphics, 645 inside here. We have the two Thunderbolt 3 USB-C ports, alright, and that supports for high-speed transfer and video output. We have a headphone jack, stereo speakers, we have a backlit keyboard, we have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0 technology. We also have FaceTime HD camera, pre-installed Mac OS. Alright, so let's open the box and see what we have inside here. So let me get this. We're gonna open this right here. So this is a little tab right here that you pretty much just pull this and open the box. Alright, so we're gonna take the plastic off this and get to the good stuff. Alright, and this is the space gray, as you can see, of the MacBook. Let's take this out. So here we have the MacBook Pro. Alright, let's put that aside here. We have the charging cable right here, which is a USB-C to USB-C cable right here. We have instructions here inside. Alright, and this one's come with the space gray Apple stickers. It used to ship with white stickers, but it's nice now we have them in space gray. That's really nice. We have instructions and everything inside here. Alright, and then here we have the charging brick. So this is the charging brick for the MacBook. Alright, it has the stickers and everything on here. Just gonna keep that on there for now. Alright, and this is a USB-C power adapter, and this is 61 watts. Alright, and we have the USB-C cable here. So that's all that's in the box. Let's put the box aside for now, and we're gonna open up the MacBook right here. Take it out the plastic pretty much, and here it is. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead, open this up, remove the paper from the front, and there it is. It's booting up already. So as soon as you open this, it boots up. Alright, so that's just the quick unboxing of the 2020 MacBook Pro, the base model, as I would say, the base version. So this comes with the 256 gigabytes and the
English as the main language. Press the return key.
Alright, so it's setting up right here. I'm not gonna do the setup on this as yet. So as I said, it was just a quick unboxing. Alright, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Please head on down below, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, because I'm gonna have some reviews and follow up on this computer. Alright, so thank you for watching again. Peace.